Hey, do you want to mastering chart with Plotly.js and you want to build chart like this, such as bar chart, pie and donut chart, smooth line chart, scatter plot chart, line graph chart, bubble plots, and many more? Then you are in right place. My name is John Sarkar. I am full stack web developer and online instructor. In today's data-driven world, simply showing number is not enough. Businesses, researchers, and developers all rely on interactive visuals to communicate with viewers. That's why we rely on charts. And to build the chart effectively, Plotly.js allow you to create charts that user can zoom, hover, filter, and interact with that. Basically, it makes your visualization more engaging, meaningful, and professional. Even if you have never created a chart before, you can learn Plotly.js very easily. Just some line of JavaScript code done your job. It's very easy to learn. And in this course, we are basically focusing on the basic charts, such as horizontal and vertical bar charts, pie and donut chart, smooth line chart, scatter plot chart, line graph chart, bubble plot chart, 3D scatter plot chart, 3D surface plot chart, 3D spiral line plot chart, and 3D mesh chart. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started.